Welcome to Edulab360, and my name is Miss Oiko. I am super delighted to see your handsome and beautiful faces. Let's take a nursery rhyme. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, say la la. If you're happy and you know and you really want to show that you're very, very happy, wiggle your fingers. Wiggle! Awesome job! Well done, friends. Today we're going to be learning something very interesting. But before I start teaching my friends, I'm going to tell my friends a story. Okay? So it's story time. Everybody pay attention, listen to my story. It was a sunny afternoon. Sammy and Zebra decided to take a walk. Sammy and Zebra have a dog. The name of the dog is Tom. So they decided to take Tom on the walk with them. And as they were going along the grass, Tom ran off. He started barking so loud. Woof! 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 Ah! Zebra and Sam wondered, why is Tom barking so loud? So they went after Tom to find out why Tom was barking so loud. Did you know what they saw in the grass? They saw a very big snake slithering away. And the snake made the sound. The snake slithered away, making the sound. What sound did the snake make, friends? Let's say it together. Great job! Can you see the big snake in the picture? Ah! It's so huge. The snake is sitting in the grass. And the snake made the sound as it slithered away. What sound is this, friends? Great job! I need you to do your action the next time you're telling me the sound. What sound is this, everybody? Awesome job! You are amazing! The letter sound. Let's do the action together. Again. Louder! Great job! Well done, friends. Next, I'm going to be teaching my friends the song to the letter sound. The letter sound has a song, and I'm going to be teaching my friends that song. So I want my friends to listen attentively. Let's sing. The snake is in the grass. 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 Now I want my friends to sing the song without Miss Oinkom. Are you ready to sing, friends? 1, 2, ready, sing! The snake is in the grass. Good job. Awesome job. The snake is in the grass. Fantastic job. Handsome and beautiful children. You guys are awesome and I love you so much. Next, you're going to be looking at some things that begin with the letter sound. There are so many things that begin with the letter sound. Some of them are around us. Some of them are our names. For example, in the story, I said Sam. Sam begins with the letter sound Sam. One of the things that begin with the letter sound is snake. Everybody say snake. Again, snake. Good job. Again, snake. Fantastic job. Another lovely thing that begins with the letter sound. He's the sun. Oh, Mr. Sun, sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind a tree. And these little children are asking you to please come down so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. As in sun. As in sun. Fantastic job, friends. Next, you're going to learn to write the letter sound. You're going to learn to write the letter sounds. Can I see your magic finger up, everybody? Great job. This is your magic finger. Every time I ask to see your magic finger up, you raise this finger, okay? So let's go together. Magic finger up. Magic finger down. Magic finger down. Magic finger up. Great job. Now we're going to learn to write the letter sounds. So I want my friends to watch. You start at a point, curve, back, and you stop. Okay? You start at a point, curve, back, and you stop. Great job. So let's get our whiteboard. Get your whiteboard, everybody. Let's try it on our whiteboard. Yes, we're gonna see it better on our whiteboard. So everybody get your whiteboard, get your marker, quiet mouth, and let's get writing. You start at a point, curve, and the back curve. Yeah! Easy, right? Let's write it one more time. You start at a point, curve, and a back curve. Easy peasy. Great job. Can I see your board just like mine, everybody? Hold up your board. Great job. Awesome job. Easy, 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 friends. Take it slow. I can see everybody's work. I can see your work. Great job. Now we're going to move our board from side to side and we'll sing the song to the letter sounds. Are you ready, friends? Are you ready, friends? Yes! Great job. Let's go, friends. The snake is in the grass. 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 Great job, friends. Well done. Now we're going to give ourselves the superhero clap. Let's go. Roll it, roll it, roll it, and let it go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hero, you are a mega superstar. Yay! Awesome job. You've been amazing. This class has been all about the letter sound. This class has been all about the letter sounds. Remember, we learned about different things that begins with the letter sound. We learned as in snake. We learned as in sun. As in Sunday. Anybody bearing Sunday in class? As in Sunday. As in Sam. As in sandal. So I want all of my friends to go around the class, look around them, look around for things that begin with the letter sounds. Show them to your teachers, show them to your friends, and I will ask you about them at the next class. Okay, friends? Make sure you do your coloring assignments. Miss Oinko loves you so much. See you at the next class. Bye-bye. Bye, friends. I love you. Make sure you practice your sounds. See you next time.